The CampChef DLX pellet grill is a great pellet grill for both beginners and seasoned pitmasters alike. As a pellet grill, the DLX burns hardwood pellets to give you that smoky barbecue flavor. The new Wi-Fi enabled PID controller allows you to monitor your cook right from your phone via the CampChef Connect app. And the PID controller, or the brains of the pellet grill, keep temps right where you want them. The DLX has a temperature range of 160 degrees for those low and slow cooks, all the way to 450 degrees for those hot and fast cooks. With smoke control, you can set the level of the smokiness of your cook on a scale of 1 to 10 depending on your preferences. 1 being a mild smoke flavor and 10 being a more intense smoke flavor, so you are in control of the outcome of your cook. With an 18-pound hopper, you'll have more than enough fuel to get through those long, low, and slow cooks. And on the back of the hopper is our easy pellet clean out, so that if you want to swap out pellet flavors or clear out the hopper at the end of the season, it's a breeze to do so. With the ash clean out, we've made cleaning and maintenance a breeze as well. With the simple pull of the ash clean out knob, you can dump the ash that's in the burn pot, allowing you to spend more time cooking and less time cleaning your grill. And as with all CampChef pellet grills, the DLX is compatible with the Sidekick that attaches to the side of the grill for all of your hot and fast needs. And the Sidekick works with our 14-inch accessories, which is a griddle, a grill box, and a pizza oven. Or remove the accessories and use the burner alone. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the DLX is a powerful tool for you as a backyard pitmaster. For more information, go to campchef.com.